Welcome back, creators! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated palm routers. Palm routers come in handy for a wide variety of projects. While these are more often seen in professional shops, do-it-yourselfers will also find this tool useful for trimming excess material, something that can be extremely exhausting if done using a larger and heavier tool. Of course, not all palm routers are made equal, and you deserve nothing but the best. So to help you out, our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has prepared for you a list of the 7 highest rated palm routers available on the market today. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the palm routers that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top rated options for you, make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first palm router in our list is the THINKWORK palm router. THINKWORK's palm router has a 1.25 horsepower, 6.5 ampere motor that can handle a broad range of routing and trimming tasks. Its robust speed of 30,000 rotations per minute is enough power to finish even the toughest projects. In terms of size, the unit measures 9.57 by 7.24 by 6.81 inches and weighs 5.17 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the THINKWORK palm router a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: transparent base. This allows you to clearly view your work progress with maximum accuracy. This also minimizes the sawdust flying all over the place as you work. Quick changing. The unit has a quick change mechanism that makes it easy to switch from a 1/4 inch router collet to a 1/2 inch router collet. Ergonomic design. The unit is built with a non-slip rubber handle that allows for a comfortable and stable grip for the most demanding tasks. Solid build. It is made with an improved aluminum machine enclosed plus waterproof and rust-proof properties for enhanced longevity. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, make sure to really tighten its parts, because if you don't, they might slip by accident. The second palm router in our list is the ENERTWIST palm router. The ENERTWIST palm router is equipped with a motor that has 1.25 horsepower and is powerful enough to handle even the most demanding of tasks. We would also like to emphasize its heavy-duty cast aluminum motor housing, which provides you with the highest possible level of durability while simultaneously reducing vibration. If you look more closely at how it's made, you'll notice that its body is thin and built in a way that makes it as comfortable as possible to use. In terms of size, it is 10 inches long, 8 inches wide, and 6 inches tall, and weighs 6.16 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the ENERTWIST palm router a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: soft starting feature. This ensures better control, which is a must for less jarring startups and incremental speed increases. Variable speed settings. The unit features 6 variable speed settings from 10,000 to 32,000 rotations per minute, which makes it capable of processing different softwoods and hardwoods. High accuracy. It features an adjustable rack and pinion depth control for maximum precision, as well as quick-release com-lock system for easy depth adjustments and base removal or installation. Safety feature. The unit features overload protection that prevents the unit from stalling or burning. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it can get a bit hot, so we suggest using a pair of gloves as you work. The third palm router in our list is the Milwaukee palm router. The Milwaukee palm router is a perfect combination of power, speed, and accuracy with its ability to deliver clean and accurate cuts in a variety of materials and applications. The unit is equipped with a brushless motor that delivers 1.25 horsepower with speeds of up to 31,000 rotations per minute. In terms of size, the unit measures 4.79 by 3.23 by 6.86 inches and weighs 2.9 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Milwaukee palm router a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: variable speed dial. This allows you to get the proper speed needed for various projects. High precision. The handheld router features an adjustable dial and a macro adjust button that allow for fast and accurate depth adjustments. LED lights. The unit features built-in LED lights that illuminate the work surface for maximum visibility. Versatile features. In order to provide the greatest possible degree of adaptability, the unit is suitable for use with both a plunge and an offset base. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the battery isn't included with the unit and must be purchased separately. The fourth palm router in our list is the Goplus palm router. The motor used in the Goplus is rated at 1.25 horsepower and 6.5 amperes. This 750-watt device is not only strong enough to handle a variety of tasks, but it also takes up very little space. We believe it's important to point out that its round base lets you do basic tasks like cutting, grooving, and trimming while still being able to manage your resources efficiently and effectively. Also, the handles are rounded and ergonomic, which makes for a pleasant working experience. The device has dimensions of 13.5 inches in length, 11.5 inches in width, and 10.5 inches in height, and it weighs 10.98 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Goplus Palm Router a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: heat dissipation system. This allows the unit to effectively release heat, enabling you to operate it for longer periods. Variable speeds. The router operates at 6 different speed settings for a more reliable cut. Premium grade material. It is made of aluminum and nylon, which backs its solid durability. Easy to set up. You won't need any tools to replace the motor. Just put the router in the base and make sure the trigger is locked. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the locking piece must be tightened extremely well so that it won't move around as you use the palm router. The 5th palm router on our list is the Makita palm router. The DEWALT palm router offers the functionality of a corded tool while providing the portability and mobility of a cordless model. It has a soft-start brushless motor that has the capacity to achieve speeds ranging from 6,500 to 25,500 revolutions per minute. In terms of dimensions, the device measures 8.38 inches by 5.82 inches by 5.75 inches and weighs 2.6 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Makita Palm Router a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: safety features. The on and off button paired with its separate lock button prevents accidental startups for workpiece and user protection. High accuracy. The smooth rack and pinion fine depth adjustment system allows for more precise settings. Dual LED lights. These light up the work area just in case you'll be working in dim surroundings. Quick release cam lock system. This allows for easy depth adjustments in basic removal or installation. Star protection. This communication technology allows the tool and battery to exchange data in real time to monitor its conditions and protect it against overloading, over-discharging, and overheating. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the sub-base has a small opening, so it isn't made for large bits. The 6th palm router in our list is the DEWALT palm router. The DEWALT palm router has the performance of a corded tool with all the convenience of a cordless model. It is equipped with a soft-start brushless motor that's capable of speeds ranging from 6,000 to 25,500 rotations per minute. As for the size, the unit measures 8.38 by 5.82 by 5.75 inches and weighs 2.6 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the DEWALT palm router a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: dual LED lights. This illuminates the work area, allowing you to work in dim surroundings. High precision. The depth adjustment ring ensures easy and precise height adjustments. Safety feature. It is equipped with an electronic brake that quickly slows down the motor after the unit is shut off. Variable speed dial. This enables you to work at the ideal speed based on your project. Keeping all of that in mind, the things you should know before you buy the product are: the speed control dial is easy to hit, which makes you accidentally change the speed with just a simple touch. Changing bits is a bit tedious at first since the two pieces have to be disconnected from each other first. The 7th palm router on our list is the Bosch palm router. The motor of the Bosch palm router has a horsepower rating of 1 and draws 5.6 amperes of current. Its speed ranges from 16,000 to 35,000 revolutions per minute, which is impressive given its price point. Also, the speed is kept constant thanks to its soft start function, variable speed control, and continuous response circuitry. In addition to this, we would like to point out that this has an ergonomic palm grip design with a soft grip, which makes it very easy to grasp. The device has dimensions of 9.41 by 7.43 by 4.7 inches and weighs 3.3 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Bosch palm router a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: convenient features. It features a straight edge guide to lead the router along the edges of the workpiece. It also has an angled cord exit to keep the cord out of the way as you work. Solid durability. The rugged aluminum fixed base is extremely durable, which ensures the tool's longevity. Ergonomic features. Stability is ensured with its distinctive finger support pockets, which serve their purpose even better when trimming edges. Versatile features. It features a fixed base that accepts bits up to 1 5/16 inches in diameter, with its bit changing system allows for effortless bit changes. High precision. The quick and accurate depth adjustment system allows both macro and micro adjustments. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, since it can be easy to overlook the double arrows that are meant to indicate the correct alignment when reconnecting the base and the motor, we recommend that you paint them in a color that stands out. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated palm routers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next palm router roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.